Hi, this is Dr. Jenny, and I'm going to show you how to use Excel 2013 with this ticket sale assignment. You'll see here that I have the data open here with ticket sales, and it goes down to row 36, and I've highlighted that area. And what I want to do is click Insert, and you notice I have Pivot Table here, but I also have over here what's called a Pivot Chart. So if I click on Pivot Chart, I can do both a chart and a pivot table, and that's what we want to do. And it'll be very similar to what you see if you were to use 2010. So we select a table, we want it to go into a new worksheet, we say OK. And what you'll see here is the layout that opens up for me here, so that when I drag down a salesman here and then the ticket sold, you'll notice I have both a pivot table over here and a chart. Now I'm going to make this chart, move this chart over a little bit so you can see some of the things we can do. We can get rid of the legend because it's got their names underneath here, and what we could say here is tickets sold. Something like that. I mean, you're going to get you might have a different title that you want to have in there. And then one of the things that I want to show you along with this is that we can very easily add a filter so that we have it by destination. So if we wanted to have look at our salesmen and how well they sold just to Egypt and South Africa, it's going to show you the number of tickets sold by salesman. So we're very able to do that. Now I'm going to move this destination back up because one of the things I want to show you here is that we can change the the design, but we can also do what's called insert a slicer. So up here in the menu, and I'm under the Analyze tab here, once I've done with my pivot chart tools, I can insert a slicer. And what's kind of neat is I can click destination here, and the destinations show up like this. So now it's like a interactive dashboard a little bit, because a person can see the tickets sold here, but then if they click on France, it's going to show the number of tickets sold to France by salesperson, or if you want to go to Hungary and Poland. And you can change the color schematic here, slicer styles, so we can actually change the slicer and change the color palette of the chart. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can just go into your design area here, and you can, I guess I am doing it, but you can change the way it looks here, change the colors, so that if you want it to match your slicer, I don't know exactly how I end up with red, but anyway, you get the idea. Now I can go back here and change my slicer to what was it, this orange? Here we go. So now I have a little bit more of a dashboard working here, and actually I could put these charts so that they're on a different screen and white the background and add some information to tell people how to do it. And so essentially the person using the dashboard wouldn't even have an idea that they were working from this data. So that's just an idea if that's something that you are interested in doing, and I hope this helps you.